test centers. The IBT format will be new to the untrained eye and may seem intimidating, especially if you have never taken a test on a computer. A brief tutorial is offered at the beginning of the TOEFL to allow you time to familiarize yourself with the format. Still, the IBT presents some challenges. For example, when working on a reading passage, you will see something like the following. 1. Introduction 7 more available. The exoskeleton of the arthropod. There are more arthropods alive on Earth than there are members of any other phylum of animals. Given that not only insects and spiders but also shrimp, 5 crabs, centipedes, and their numerous relatives are arthropods, this fact should not occasion surprise. For all their diversity, arthropods of any type share 2 defining characteristics: jointed legs, from which the 10 phylum takes its name, and an exoskeleton, the recognizable hard outer shell. Though the shell itself is made of dead tissue like that of human hair and 15 fingernails, it is dotted with sensory cells. These give the arthropod information about its surroundings, much as the nerve endings in human skin do. Also, like human skin, the shell protects fragile internal 20 organs from potentially hazardous contact with the environment. It seals in precious moisture that would otherwise evaporate but permits the exchange of gases. 25. Its primary component is chitin, a natural polymer that contains calcium and is very similar in structure to the cellulose in wood. Chitin and proteins are secreted in the epidermis, the living tissue just below 30 the shell, after which they bond to form a thin sheet. Each new sheet is produced so that its chitin fibers are not parallel with those directly above, which increases their combined strength. 35. The result is the endocuticle, a mesh of molecules that forms the lowest layer of the shell. The endocuticle is not quite tough enough for daily wear and tear. Over 40 time, however, its molecules continue to lock together. As the endocuticle is pushed upward by the formation of new eye,